At the end of the discussion, idea came out with a tinted glass, and once it comes out in the final look, it really looks very nice.
Yeah, so like I said earlier, when we did the phase 1, so we were not clear, and this is being our first home, we didn't have experience as well. So when we did the second round, the other designer, gave a brilliant idea that how this room also can be a very calm, peaceful, where you go and spend time in the night only. That's when he suggested, okay, why don't you shift the wardrobe back over here and move a little bit AC installation over there. And that brilliant idea of the mirror opposite on the wardrobe and the headboard behind, which was matching to our customized bed, which we had customized ourselves, and it came out pretty nice. And the simple false ceiling has also added a lot of value over there. When we wanted to design as per Vastu, we wanted to keep that as a kid room. One which is the master bedroom was supposed to be the kid room, so we swapped it, and we wanted an empty space for our kid. And the color scheme which came out, it's very well, brilliantly done. Again, if you see the wooden flooring and the cupboard which we have, the color over there, and it is complementing the new study area as well.
So the designer understand my thoughts, and then he planned one bookshelf. So it is looking very nice, and the cupboards are coming out very nicely.
One of the family recently came, a friend from Jaipur, and the kids came in and they just says, wow, we have entered a hotel. We have received a lot of compliments, and when we did the last photo shoot, we have shown it to the people, and then it says, looks like a celebrity's house. It doesn't look like a normal house. DesignCafe, if I have to just put it in a nutshell, it went great. We had ups and downs, we had the challenges, but how DesignCafe came across as on a table, that always with the solution.
Yeah, home mean for me, it's the at the end of the day you come, relax, calm, and just keep your all the tension, anxiety outside. Thanks to the DC, the interior, of course, it helps.
So yeah, on the similar line, I also, when you come back home, you want to have peace, you want to leave everything outside the door and then chill inside the home and find your comfort. We believe that we have created that with the collaboration with DesignCafe's team. And we feel the calm, we feel the peace here, and we are happy about it.